Okay, bus number 2, listen first. Hello, happy afternoon. Welcome to Infinite Space. Reminders, please avoid touching the lights. No walking between the lights. No running, no jumping for everyone's safety. Okay po, kindly guide your